Hello friends, I hope you're doing well, and here 250 great print templates bundle, but these are protected. First you need subscription for access on my all file. Go to sherryskpwd.com, get subscription, just one time payment for lifetime, then you have all access. Here voucher in zip file you can open, and for example open this one. You see here these are in design file. Okay, here just a preview. Okay, amazing. Next, business card. You see here design. You can edit in Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator. Here card invitation. Okay, next flare. This mean all files are professional, and here graphics, elements and text effect for Photoshop. Okay, and here letterhead. Next logo, magazine, mockup. Amazing. Photoshop action, resume and stationaries. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe us. Take care. Allah Hafiz.